It's Thanksgiving. Yeah, they're telling you no, it's not. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Day 2 here in Kelowna. It is Saturday, and
Maddie's got his coffee.
Coffee.
I already finished mine.
Coffee is life.
Yes.
Coffee is life. So what are we doing today, Scotty?
Well, today we're going to see kangaroos.
Kangaroos in Kelowna?
Apparently so. So there's a kangaroo farm here in Kelowna. We're still here with Brad and Chris from Chat Cruisers.
Yes.
And Chris really wants to go see kangaroos, so we're heading to a kangaroo farm.
So as Chris was saying, we're going down under. That was horrible.
That was terrible. Don't even try.
No, I'm sorry.
Terrible.
I'm sorry. Nevertheless, yeah, so we're again here with Chat Cruisers.
And Chase.
And Chase.
Chase.
Oh, damn it. See, keep on forgetting about Chase. Sorry, Chase. But at the end of the day, the boys do leave to go to Revelstoke, so we will depart from each other
today.
We'll part ways. So, but sad, but you know what? It's a newfound friendship that we created in March.
It's been great to meet them. They have been a great support to us.
Significant support to us. So we thank you guys.
Great people.
We thank you. I will put their link down below.
It'd be
down below.
Yeah.
In the description box. So please make sure to check them out if you are not following them already. Nevertheless, follow us today.
Yep.
Let's go see some kangaroos, and then who knows what we're gonna get up to. So nevertheless, let's have some fun. So here we are, Kangaroo.
We're here at Kangaroo Creek Farm
That's
in
it.
Kelowna. And we're gonna go see some joeys.
Some joeys? You know, because we're fulfilling Chris's little fantasy of being in Australia right now. So follow us along and let's have some fun. That is so awesome. Look at them. Look at them. All the way in Kelowna that you would have something like this. And then all of a sudden, there's the kangaroo. Look. This is phenomenal. And there's Chris. You'll see in a second. There he is. Taking his selfie with the kangaroo. Oh, good old Christoph.
Oh my god, look at that chicken.
I'm being followed by a chicken. Hi. Chicken want a cracker?
Behind you.
Scott's gobbling to the turkeys. Oh. It's Thanksgiving. Yeah, they're telling you no, it's not. Hey, buddy.
I don't know.
How you doing?
They call that one Leonardo capybara.
What is it?
Leonardo, love it.
Yeah, he's male, and then we got her female here. Her name's Capricious.
So it's capricious and what?
Leonardo capybara.
Capybara.
Leo for short.
Or Leo.
Hey, Leo. Leo he actually is a father in our other field on the other
Okay.
side of the farm. We have another adult named
Yeah.
Wanda, and she has like a baby. It's around getting to 2 months, 2 months old, the baby. And he's the father. He's going to mother after.
So we're about to head up to the ducks getting fed, the turkeys getting fed.
The ducklings!
It's like a little show all of a sudden. Oh, it's absolutely adorable. Hungry little guys.
Feeding time.
That other duck has a thing here on the hair, on the head. Right there, see? He has a afro.
Oh yeah. That is amazing. Oh, they're coming up quickly more. Oh, he just whistles and drops the thing and they follow him.
They listen. They listen, look, they listen. They listen.
Oh, oh,
That
oh,
is
oh,
so
oh.
cool. Look, they listen.
There you go, gangsters. Go on.
They listen.
Oh wow.
Oh, nice.
Birds, we hatch them out on the next day for a couple days,
Wow.
and you're dead.
It feels like Jurassic Park, you know, the
Yeah,
T-Rex. Yeah, then they come in and like, wow. That's so
And
cool.
then now is the best of all, the porcupine.
Porcupine?
Porcupine.
There's porcupine here?
Yeah, we're going right now.
yet.
Porcupine?
This is absolutely amazing how you can be here in Kelowna and they have turkeys, they have common wallaroos, and then they have roosters, and then there's so much. It's actually really cool. It's interesting how you can interact. They have emus. It's so cool. It's so cool. So we're heading out to see this lovely lady feed a porcupine.
Blew my eardrum out.
The parrot. Oh.
You gotta get stuck there.
Emu.
Wow.
All right, here we go. The porcupine's out, everybody.
Oh, let me go look at the bunny.
I will show you the civet glider at your leisure. So, but you might want to see the porcupine.
Oh, look at that. That's so cute.
Oh.
Yours will have babies. I don't know what So is that a yes to baby bunnies or a no to baby bunnies?
Oh, I'm sure Ryder will be down. Come here. Here, Nika, do you want me to take a picture of you and the bunnies?
All the bunnies are feeding. Except for him. He already ate.
Now, too, I don't think they're indigenous to Italy, of course.
Invasive species.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, what I like about them is the face structures look very human. They almost look like elves from Lord of the Rings.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
the
that's
ears and everything. Like they're just,
That's a good one.
Can't drop them.
Oh,
You can try to drop sugar gliders, but you're not. It's not happening.
They don't.
Well, you feel it, but it doesn't hurt. Sugar glider possum.
oh, ho, ho, ho.
He doesn't want to be my friend. So here's a whole bunch of birds. A lot of them are rescues. We were just talking with one of the people here.
Gonna dance?
Go dance. Dance. Dance for us.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. Oh, thank you.
Hello.
Huh?
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
You must really impress the ladies. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, the one-legged dance. Yeah. That's very good.
That's good.
You say hello to Matty. Say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
See, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Say hello,
Hello.
Scotty.
Is that it?
Hello. That's it. We're good. We're going now. Bye.
Hello.
More dancing.
We got some goats. He's just chilling on top of a aluminum pail. Why not, right? Hey, it's Saturday. Yeah, take it easy.
Oh, look. They're coming to you, Scott.
So we're approaching kangaroos. Where I believe Scott might actually be able to feed them. Let's see.
That's so weird. After you saw two kangaroos, you're done. Come over. Right? Scott in his national habitat, feeding the kangaroos.
Scott's
Just drop
good
it
off
on the
this-
ground, it's gonna come to you.
Yeah, yeah. What are you doing? He's really good at
Kangaroo wants nothing. Kangaroo wants it.
I'll get my popcorn.
And Chris is picking up the popcorn. Hi. Hi.
Wow.
I guess whoever's grooming them is like practicing to be on hair salons school.
So these chickens look like they haven't been to the hairdresser yet.
Oh.
Might be closed because of COVID.
Oh, I started something, you guys.
Oh, Scott's feeding them.
Go.
Scott is feeding a cute pet. He's absolutely beautiful.
That is so cool picture.
Brad and Chris's kangaroos are being intimate.
Like it? I love it.
So here's the emu feeding.
That's a pretty big emu. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Wants nothing to do with me. Chase wants to run. Chase. Run against the emu. Scotty is getting a chance to pet one. Absolutely amazing. A little bit of a fight going on.
Oh my god, it's weird. Oh, texture's weird. Chase picture before it freaks out. Oh my god. Why is she staring at me? That's scary birds. They're called emu?
Emus.
Emus? I did that earlier. He just looked at me and like.
He doesn't like you.
But they have a thing too, eh?
There's some goats.
Meh. Meh. Hello.
So the goat enclosure is huge. It sprawls all around. All the goats. They're all on the other side. Just chilling and eating, as goats do. Hi. gonna walk over the bridge, and they're all just lying here. Look at this. You gonna let me through? Huh? Hi.
They're so smart. What's the other person?
Hi. Yeah? Yeah?
So you guys, it's over. Our new friends, our new friends are going home. We want to say thank you so much to Brad and to Chris for letting us follow along on their adventure.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely,
Our tour guide.
absolutely. It's newfound friends, and we love you guys both. And thank you so much for your support. And make sure to check out Chad Cruisers. Chad Cruisers, like I said, I'll put the link to their video on the very bottom.
Thank you.
Okay? Take care, you guys.
Hope to see you again.
Yeah,
See you later.
Yes.
We'll be back.
Bye. Toodles.